Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for 11 years. In this video series, we're going to show you a couple of quick how-to repairs on a 5680 that you can do yourself to eliminate the cost and need of sending a service tech. So you got 36 volts going to your vac motor, but the vac motor is not turning on. It's time to replace it. So this is how you replace it. You've got three 13mm bolts or a 1/2-inch bolt in a triangular pattern. There's one here, one up top, and then there's one behind the exhaust port of your vac motor. So what you want to do first is unplug it. Take your socket. Now make sure you're holding your vac motor so it doesn't fall and drop onto the batteries or anything. So remove that last bolt. Set your old vac motor down. Okay, so here we have your new ordered parts. This is your vac motor, so go ahead and unbox your vac motor, and you will need a vac motor gasket to go on top of your vac motor. So the vac motor in this unit is still good, so we're gonna use it again, but as you can see, your vac motor gasket goes on top. Now, on the back side of your gasket, you've got a sticky adhesive, so you just peel that back and place it right on top here where the fan is sticking out for your new replacement. Now, one thing you really need to do is when you get your new vac motor, go ahead and double check the fan and see that it's freely spinning. A lot of the times they could get damaged and then you won't have a freely spinning fan. So replacing the vac motor, insert the vac motor with your exhaust port down, line your brackets up with the notches on top of the plastic vac motor casing, and then just start your bolts. So now that we have the 13mm bolts started, go ahead and take your ratchet and tighten the bolts down. Okay, last but not least, go ahead and plug your vac motor back in. And tuck that away. And that is how you install your new vac motor. Once again, my name is Keith. Be sure to visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com for the parts listed in this video for this machine and thousands of other machines, plus how-to guides and parts diagrams. Stay safe and thanks for watching.